Well, well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.3 full self-driving software stack. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Got all these power lines, right?
Yep.
If it screws up, I'm just going to take over.
Oh, I know, but we know it will throw on this
And
stack
it
through
needs
here.
to be in the right.
Should be in the right
Yeah,
lane. Yep,
there we
no,
go.
there you go. No problem. We anticipated that being the issue for this roundabout.
It's always this issue. That was a big truck.
That was a huge truck.
And that Prius was just hoping the truck would support it.
That's a huge truck.
There we go. If it, because I have someone directly behind me.
If it dives directly
Yeah.
way too soon, you'll
Yeah.
take over and then
Yes.
try to re-engage and then...
Yes.
Yes, I know where you're going with that.
Just because I have someone right behind me.
No worries.
We gotta be respectful for the flow of traffic.
We know how this stupid card, this build of software is a bit finicky. There it goes.
It's early, but it's not horrible.
At this point, it's not that bad, but yeah.
Excellent. Wait. I pushed the accelerator button.
There you go, the pedal.
I was half right. Getting closer.
One of those days.
One of these days.
Just one of those days.
I don't want to go back to work. I just want to be an FSD driver. Hey, I applied to Elon. He did not. I never even got a call.
I tried to.
Never even got an email.
I didn't either. Actually, I got a rejection email.
I didn't even get that.
I got the rejection
That
email.
means someone looked at your application. No one looked at mine.
A rejection email. Or the bot looked at my email.
Either way, something looked at yours. Mine went into the nether sphere. Never to return.
I'm not sure what's worse.
I think the nether sphere is worse.
I think the rejection email might be worse.
See, that's a great question because that ties into like the dating pool, right? What's worse, like
Yeah.
being outwardly rejected or getting ghosted? I think ghosted is worse because you don't know. Like, there's that like lingering hope. All right, let's see if I can do this without. Excellent, I don't have to scroll.
Ooh, and here's the even more philosophical question. Is that different amongst male versus female? And if so, do you think that they utilize that for the response?
Well, a lot of my friends that are still dating, and like I know when I was dating, the whole reason for ghosting a guy was because you did not know how he was going to react when you outwardly rejected him.
Sure.
Because like I outwardly told a guy, like we went on like I think we went on a date, or I think we went on 2 dates. After the second day, I was like, this is, it's just not, we're not clicking. Like, we don't really, the more we talk, the more I'm like, yeah, you're just not really into you. And so I called him and was like, hey, like, before we started talking about, a third date, I just want to be honest with you, right? And I was trying to be nice about it. You got those lines?
Sure.
And he just started screaming at me, like,
Mm.
And then like I had another guy that I wasn't trying to ghost him, but my mom had a heart attack, and so I hadn't gotten back to him in a couple days, and he like flipped out on me, like, you're just like every other woman. I was like, okay. Like,
You're a little crazy.
so I feel like sometimes you use ghosting because you don't know like how a guy's gonna react. But I still try to be very honest and say like, listen, like, I'm going to disengage for the pothole. Yeah, 'cause I'm gonna drive pothole. That's the scary pothole. That's the pothole of death. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
That pothole leads right down to hell. Doing okay?
My camera froze over, I believe.
Do I need to pull over?
Yeah. Sorry, guys. I can't tell if it's.
I'm gonna pull over right here.
I got you. You can keep going.
Okay.
Just keep going on the drive. I got you at this point. Sorry about that. It was just foggy for a moment there, and then I'm okay.
Okay.
Just keep going. It's this wintry drive. Here we go. I'm okay.
I think that's a better question. It may have flown over Everest, but for how long?
What's that, honey?
I said it may have flown over Everest, but for how long?
It's a nice frosty day above the trees here.
You can pull over. There's lots of.
No, you're fine. I got you.
All right, I am gonna disengage for the deep gravel. Yeah. Here we go. There.
I couldn't tell if it was my lens or if it was just clouds. That's what I was having trouble with.
You're fine.
That's what was going on.
We're definitely at the top of the mountain here.
Oh no, I know. I agree. But that's what was going on.
Plenty of places to pull over if you need me to.
It's definitely clouds. It should make for a cool FSD drive. And a couple of oh shits along the way.
In December.
In December.
Hey, you can't get mad at me for the disengagement when I thought I had to pull over somewhere.
No. That one I can't get mad at.
I haven't done anything that wasn't warranted.
FSD?
No, like disengagement.
No.
Because, I mean, I don't think you want to take your car over that pothole to hell.
Oh, hell no. Hey, we get to go on the spooky road again today.
I know, and it's foggy.
I know. Ooh, that'll be fun.
Hey, there's a crane over there. Feels like we're crawling because of the fog.
I know. It's so weird. You should see it from the air. It's even crazier. It's like flying blind in some of these areas.
That's why I said, are you going to be okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, UPS smile.
I got skills.
I got skills.
But you know those FSD warnings that you get?
Yeah.
I'm getting those on my drone.
Okay. Of objects?
Oh no, yeah, just not objects, but just can't see things, or because of low visibility, that kind of stuff.
That was not me, by the way. That was the car.
Gotcha.
Oh no, a car. I don't know what that was. Oh no, a car. Scary. Yep. It's so scary.